Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in our video we are going to see a craft. What craft means? We are going to do a very beautiful roses. So we are going to do very simple and it's going to be very nice. So for that I am taking some color paper. It's color A4 sheet only, scissors, gum and the pens refill. Old pens we'll have no. That one it will be waste only. No, for that we are taking that pens refill, only refill we want, and then some ribbon. With this only we are going to do this craft. We also need a pencil and scale. I'm going to measure it. For that only we need this. So now I have took length and breadth of 10 centimeter and I measured it. Now I'll cut and take it. The same measuring I'm going to take for all the color papers. It's a nice do it yourself craft ideas. You can make it like a gift also. You can give it to your friends, to your relatives, to your parents. You can make it as a gift ideas also. It's a very nice idea. Okay, now I will cut it. So now I have cut the pieces. So when you think when you measured wrongly and the measurement came wrong, means please keep like this and check everything. You need to keep like this. Keep like this and see. You should check whether all the measurements are little correct like that, because when it's something is too big and something is too small, means you can make it a little correct itself, because you can cut and make it better. Now first you have to fold it like this. A triangle shape you can fold it. This paper, no, you have to fold it like this, and then again fold the seed. It should come like this. It should be equal at all sides. If it's not equal, you can cut and make it proper, and then you have to fold it like this. So in this craft we are going to make one mark like rose petals. In this many people have one open and see the seeds will be like this, no. So this side only it will get torn. Every pieces will come here separately. Where we have to mark like that? If you have one question, this side only here, because I will open and show you. Here means this side will come like rose petals, like that fully it will come like a rose petals. So this side only we need to mark. So I either had this doubt and many times made this mistake, and now only I learned how it came, so that only I am sharing to you also. So please mark it this side, not this side. This is wrong and this is the correct way. I'll mark and show you. See, this side only we have to mark the same. This side is there, no. Wait, I'll show you. Here we have marked. I have already said that this is the wrong one, so I have marked it at this side. See, this side only you have to mark. I have marked here because here and now we have drawn this, no, so that it should not be seen like that. I have drawn in this side. Okay, now I will cut and show you how it's coming. We have to cut this outline. Now we have drawn one petal, no, like this. So this outlines and all we need to cut. Now see here guys, I have cut it. Now I will open and show you. Now you can see how it's coming. See here, it didn't come separately. When you do when the wrong way, as I said, it will come separately. And I itself many times tried this craft and it came like this only. Now only I've realized the mistake, that this mistake only we are doing like that. So that only I'm saying to you. Okay, now what we are doing means like this. We have to cut all the three squares which we did, no. We are going to cut it like this and we are going to take it like this. If you got uneven means you can cut and trim it this side and all. That only I have said before itself. Now I itself got uneven, so that I am going to trim it. Now I have cut it. I am showing you some examples. If you got this mistake, you can clear it, because here everything came in different sizes, so that don't worry, because we are going to keep it one inside one only, so no need to worry. Okay, now I am going to cut this one thing. So first we have to cut this and take it. See here, now I have cut and took it like this only we have to take. And now I am going to cut two things. In the second one I have put 4 cutouts. I have took, no, this one 4 squares I have did and cut, no. And this is the second square. I am taking 2 petals from this. I am going to cut and take it. See, I am going to cut 3 petals in the third square. Here I am going to cut 4 petals. Now first we have cut and took, no, First square. I have cut this and took. Now I will first show you how to stick it. Like this, first put the gum and then you have to stick it like this. I'll stick and show you. See here, now I have sticked it. If you don't have the color A4 sheet or color paper, you can also paint and do it in a paper. First you can paint it and then do it. Mainly you can paint with poster colors because watercolors means be very watery. So in normal paper you can't paint it. So first time I actually did with the painting only because first I tried it so that so now I have sticked it like this. So like this only we have to stick all the things. First I will stick and show you. Okay, now I have sticked all of my papers which I cut, and this one single paper how can we stick like that I will show you. You have to fold it and then you have to stick. I will show you. See, roll it like this, put gum on one side and roll it. That's all, that one is enough. See here, now you can see from big to small it's going. You can see the measurement. So if you are thinking that we did wrongly like that also we can do it. Now I will show you how to make it look like a rose. So now we got the rose petals. Now how to make it look like a rose means here no, in this corner stick gum and then stick here. Okay, see here guys, now I have sticked it. Here I am using Fevi-stick only. Fevicol helps you very much. Fevi-stick means it needs some time for drying. So next thing I will stick here. I have put some Fevi-stick and keep, because now in the lockdown time no, we can't go out and also buy anything. So that I am just adjusting with the thing which I have. So that only. Otherwise when I will go and buy the Fevicol. Now I don't have. So here now again let's stick this like that. Sorry, this one also we need to stick. Okay, this and this. See here guys, now it came like flower itself, a rose flower. It came nicely here and all, and then you see from the side also it's nice. See from the top it's so nice. This is a very easy craft. Many members can do, from kids to big members can do this. This is a very nice craft. So it's very easy craft. So I itself can't do this properly. I itself did many mistakes and only learned how to make this, and I have said what all mistakes I did, and I have said how to clear it like that. I have shared my mistakes which I have made by making this. So now I have realized the mistake and it came very well. So now I have to this pen refill. Any pen refill you can take, because many pens are you are vastly throwing it after finishing. No, for that you can take any pen refill, but not the using one already over one you can take it. Okay, because it's going to be waste only. No, you are going to put in dustbin only. No, for that you can take and make it recycle. For that only this is a very nice craft. So I'm going to stick it like a stem. Actually I don't have Fevicol. I had it but everything got over. That's the big problem. So now first I will cut and take it. See guys, don't take this side. We want this side only. So we don't want this this here it's there. No, this part where we write, the writing part we don't need. So only here till this only we need. Last time also I put one craft. So you can see that the link is given in the description box. I have did with some recycling objects only. It's a very nice organizer. Okay, now I will cut and show you this one. Actually this pen it's over only ink, but after a long time I have took it, so that little bit time it have wrote, but then little bit ink has came up I think, then it didn't write. See here, nothing is writing. So now I will cut and show you. Okay guys, now I have took this part, because we need smaller stem to stick with that. Actually it was very difficult for cutting this, so I have said we need scissors. So with scissors only I have tried it. It's very difficult as it's very thick. So it's not at all little bit soft also. It's so thick, it's so hard, so that it's very hard and it's, to cut also with scissors. I have also tried so much, but I didn't cut a little bit also. Then I have cut with knife, then only it got cut. Okay, so you can take any like little soft refills. I had a soft refill. Well, first time I have said no, I have painted and tried this, and I have tried this thing many times, and I have used one refill. It was very soft. So I am going to take some brands of pens which I have used. I will see whether some soft things are there like that. So first cut it with the scissors or knife. Okay, first it was very difficult for cutting, or you can cut with any sharp knife. Actually, I don't have any sharp knife. I have tried with my not sharp knife, guys, sharp scissors. I don't have any sharp scissors at all. Some not sharp scissors only. See here, not sharp, it's just blunt, the scissors. And another scissors also have, see here, this is also not sharp, it's not too sharp. This also not it also didn't cut. So any new scissors you can try whether it's cutting or not. Okay, so now let's go into our craft. So first we have to put any color paper. You have to stick along this. Okay guys, see here, now I have sticked a dark green color here. So I have said that I have cut with knife now. So kids who are watching this video, don't try this by cutting with knife and all. You should ask any adults to do this and give. So here why I am doing this with this refill I am sticking means, because you may ask the question why we need a refill. Without that we can roll it and stick it and stick it to the rose, no, like that. But why I am doing like this means for the stiffness. Otherwise the stiffness will not be there like this real round real stem like that is there. Otherwise the stiffness will not come. For the stiffness only I am doing. If you don't like that, you don't want to do, it's not very necessary to do color paper on a normal refill. Small refills only have means you can just stick it there to holding, and it's just like for stiffness only I am doing it. It's a very nice type of craft. At last what I am going to do, please see till last. And last part of the video, there is one different thing I am going to do with this. I am trying to do, it's the first time I am going to try the different thing. Only roses I have tried many times, but not that thing. That is the first time. But what is that? That's the surprise. So please see till our last part of the video. Apply some gum here, or here also you can apply if you want. Okay, then we will stick it. See here guys, it's very awesome, right? Okay guys, now see it, it's so nice, no? So awesome, right? See, I have stick like this only. See, it's so nice, no? See here guys, now I have taken some shape. Okay, it's like this. I have took one shape because I'm going to make a leaf that is near to the rose. In the rose flower and all you saw me, it's near itself one leaves will be done like that only. So I have put some gum here. Okay, see here, now when I rotate also the leaf you can see, no? Okay, like this I will make some more roses. I am going to make 2 more roses, like very beautiful, as I said, no? First while doing it will be like not coming well only. Now it was so beautiful, right? Okay, now let's in the second one, no, what I am going to do means this outer one I am going to do with one color, and the inside one I am going to do with one color, like that. I am putting one plan. I will show you after doing it. Okay, now I will cut and take that. I am going to do with baby pink color and one purple color. It's like an indigo color. With that only I am going to do the next one. I'll cut and show you. See here guys, I have taken like a purple color, and these are all baby pink color. It's like a baby pink color. So I have took these colors and I have cut like square pieces. Now this I am going to put out. I don't know whether out or in like that. So I don't know, but here we'll cut this, no, in that one layer also will go inside it, because it will be colorful, no? So that before that itself I have got an idea, but first I want to show you the normal rose, then only I want to do this. Okay, now I will cut out and take it. See here guys, now I have cut this and took out. It should come like this. You can try with different colors you like. Yeah, mostly rose means it will be in red color, pink color. Those colors only it will be. I don't have any color papers also. Those color papers are not over red, pink and all. Pink and all little only I have. small pieces only, and this pink only I have, so that only I am using it. Yellow color also it will be there, no, so that only I have did in yellow color. You can use any good colors like red color, pink color, and all you have means you can use that also. Roses, any colors you did means it will be nice. I have did with blue color also, it was so nice.
You can use any type of color paper. You can also do with only white paper, but it should be very colorful, so it will be very beautiful. So that only I am using the color paper. You can also paint it if you don't have color paper and you want it to be very colorful.
See guys, my brother has did with paper as he's starting for the first time he's trying, so that I have told him to do an A4 sheet. I have colored it in poster color. See here, I have colored poster red color.
My brother didn't color properly. You can do it by painting. You can color properly by adding so much layers, so that it will be very colorful. So if you are trying first, you can do this.
Now I have took my things and all. I have cut and kept all the papers. Now I will show you another technique. Now I will show you how to cut this. See here, last time we have cut for starting till we have cut fully one thing, but here we are not going to cut fully one petal. We are going to just cut here and then stick. I will cut and show you. See here guys.
Now I have cut it and applied some gum here.
I will stick like this, okay? This only we have to do. Have to stick like this. This will be our first petal, okay? This is also one way, or else by cutting this I have cut fully, or this is not coming, it's not easier like that. If you think means you can do that also, but the rose is going to come like a rose only, okay? Now I will cut everything and I will stick, and then I will show you. I will do another rose also. And see here I have cut one full petal and I have sticked it in the second one. Like that you should increase and go. Next petal you need to cut 2, then 3, like that. See here guys, now I have did very colorful flower like this. I have used pink and purple color. When you stick it, it will become proper. Now it's moving like this, no? When you stick it, it will become proper. Here you have to put some Fevicol back, and then you have to stick it with this refill I have told, no, you have to cut and we have to stick it.
So in this yellow color flower, in the inner part or outer part, you can also do with a combination of orange color, so it will be very nice. And you can leave it for drying for like 1 or 2 hours, so that it will dry very nicely and it will not fall like that we need. When you do with Fevicol, it will not take so long for sticking. It will take just 30 minutes you can leave. You can also use sellotape for sticking the stem, such things. When you use Fevicol and leave for 1 hour also, it's okay. It's safe only. When you leave like that, it will stick nicely, very nicely.
This is the third color I am doing. In this I am cutting this half. See guys, now I have completed making the 3 flowers.
I made the third flower very simple, and now I am going to make the bouquet. That's the surprise gift I am making from these roses. For that we need space now, so that I kept small stem in that flower.
See here, this is my brother's flower. He also saw me. I have told no, like this we can paint. But my brother didn't do for rose. Rose means it's not coming from my brother. So that he have did another thing. And he's not interested to learn rose, and he want to do another thing. And he did like a sunflower.
This is sunflower.
In the middle you can see there is purple, that is the gum. It got dried at the outer side, so that he have cut it scissors. The inner side was sticky, so that he have used it and stick, and he have stick the thread for design, and he have used the refill as a holder stem for making the bouquet.
First take one color paper. I don't have, actually I want like this type, this color only. I don't have brown color also. You can use brown color or any other colors. This color I have only this is like a chart paper. I don't know what paper is this. It's like color paper only, but it's thick like a chart paper. I don't know whether it's a color paper or chart paper. You can take any paper guys. I will just take the color paper only, but I have only this color only, this paper I have, so that I am taking some paper. I don't know, it's like chart paper only. Okay, first I fold it. I'll show you how I have fold like this. It's some measurement it was. That one I have folded like this. I don't know the measurement. Normally paper itself I had. It was like this only. Now first you have to stick here. Okay, I will stick it and then show you. I have said we need a ribbon also. You can take any color of ribbon. I have only this blue color ribbon. Take some ribbon like this and then I will do the design and show you how I am going to do. Just tie it over this. First tie it back side like this. At the back side only and the front side it should be plain like this. And front side no, you have to take like this and we have to put this inside and tie. Okay, I'll try and show you. Simple, that's all. Now I have tied the shoe knot and all, you'll put no like that only. And this extra ribbon if you have means first we put one knot no, in that inside you have put it. Okay, now I have put the ribbon, other ribbons and all inside, the extra ribbons. Now I have did it. The extra pieces first we have did no inside this you put. Actually it is very difficult for me for doing itself. Only have completed something. If you have ready-made, if you pull something itself, the ribbon will come nicely to form like that. If you have means you can stick here. It's a nice gift idea.
Okay, now down you can write anything like happy birthday like that. With pencil you can write, or else if you have sketch also you can write with. You can take a rectangular paper for rolling this bouquet type of paper, so that it will be very nice and it will be very easy. A rectangular sheet. You can tie this ribbon in your own style. However it's possible for you can tie it. You can also buy the ribbon from shop. In shop we'll have the ready-made ribbons. In that when we pull one line it will be there. When we pull that itself we will get that ribbon shape. You can also buy that and you can try it. Okay, now I'll keep the roses inside it. Ta-da! Our gift is ready. So this is the gift I have did. I have kept the roses inside it. It's very beautiful. And how I have inserted means that yellow color flower I have kept like facing the left side, and this pink color flower I have kept like facing the right side, and the small flower, the purple color flower, small stem I have kept in that. That one I have kept in the middle like facing front. It's like facing the top. Okay, that's all our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.